waste straw. Use it to grow root vegetables like this. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you a very interesting way to grow carrots, potatoes, or any other root vegetable. You don't need any special tools or skills. Just follow my instructions and you can get an amazing harvest like this. If you want to know how to do that, please watch the video till the end. And if you are new here, please subscribe for more such useful videos. In today's video, we will learn how to grow carrot, potato, or any other root vegetable in straw. First, collect some straw and make a small pile. Then take 1 or 2 straws and place them vertically on the pile. Make sure they are straight and not bent. The number of straws depends on the size of your pile. For a small pile like this, 2 straws are enough. Leave some space between them and gently press them into the pile. Make sure they are stable and will not move. The next step is to water this pile. Water should be drained out from between the straws. Once the water starts draining out from between the straws, it means we have made a good enough foundation. Now we have to make walls around it. To make the walls, again, take some straws and start making a circle around it. Make sure you take enough straws and make the walls high enough so that the water does not leak out. Straws should be vertical and straight. After making the walls, fill some soil inside and press it to make sure there are no gaps anywhere. We have made a small bed in the center. And all we have to do now is plant our seeds or seedlings. You can plant anything you want in this raised bed. I will plant carrot seeds in this video. Take the seeds and make a small hole in the center of the straws. Place the seeds in the hole and cover it with some soil. Cover it with some straw or leaves for better insulation. Now, we have to water it. Water should be drained out from the top and bottom. Seawater is draining out from the top and bottom. That means we have done it correctly. Now cover the whole thing with cardboard, plastic, or whatever you have. Securely tie it with a rope or string. Here I am using cardboard box to cover it. Place this in direct sunlight and keep the soil moist for best results. The most important thing is that do not let the soil dry out. If the soil becomes too dry, then the roots may become weak and the plants may die. In this video, I have planted carrot seeds, but you can grow almost any vegetable in this raised bed. I will show you some examples. You can grow potatoes, radishes, onions, beets, and many other root vegetables in this raised bed. You can also grow leafy vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and coriander. Almost all vegetables can be grown in this raised bed. This method has many advantages. One of the biggest advantages is that weeds cannot grow in this raised bed because weeds germinate only when they come in contact with the soil. In this method, the soil is not in contact with weeds, so weeds cannot grow. Another advantage is that the water drains very quickly from this raised bed. Because of this, the roots of the plant do not rot. Also, this raised bed can be made anywhere. It does not matter if you have a garden or not. You can make this raised bed in your balcony, in the corner of your room, or anywhere. Even a small raised bed like this can give you a good harvest. If you want to speed up the growth of vegetables, then use a time-release fertilizer while planting. It will help your vegetables to grow faster and give you a good harvest. You can also use vermicompost or any other type of compost. That's all for today. Please try this method and share your feedback in the comments. Please subscribe for more such useful videos. Thank you for watching.